Here's my vintage bike, which is not very practical. But the most important part of the day is I have a coffee to go in a yogurt jar. Oh, life is beautiful. Early morning, way to beat the heat. I'm going to get a coffee, and I'm on my work break. And sometimes it just feels like heaven. Like, this is where I'm working today. Oh dear. We have to concentrate on the beauty and finding what's beautiful. My favorite spot to have a coffee break. Okay, I'm in the countryside of Umbria, and here's this wall that needs to have another layer of intonaco. See how it's not finished? But the clients have decided they might mosaic it later or put some plants over it, so they just wanted a quick fix. So when you have a wall like this, a grezzo, rough like this, you have to put this primer, transparent. It's a thin, transparent primer that I will now paint all over it. And then that will allow it to adhere, the paint. Otherwise, if you don't put the primer on it and it's just a clear primer, it'll continue to absorb. The wall will absorb the paint and you will never get a good coat. So I've done the door and the window, which I can show you the photos from before. And it's looking great. This window was really hard to paint. I did all metal paint on this. Okay. You can see the color it's going to be. Now I'm going to go over with the color. Now I'm going to use a brush because there's too many holes in the concrete to roll over it. I think if I roll over it, it's just gonna roll on top, even if it's a thick pile roller. And it's just, this is sort of how we do it here in Italy. Use these big brushes. I got a little one because it's lighter weight, easier to hold. And I go kind of in a circular motion. And then it fills in the holes. Let's see if I don't know where the Okay, here's the close-up. You can see how porous it is. Yellow striping. Here's the front of the door, which came out great. It's not as mottled as it looks there. It is still drying. Now, wait till you see this courtyard. So it's not all cleaned up because the light is dying, and so I wanted to film it before, but it looks so nice. Even Brenda's like, wow, the space is bigger. It looks so much more light. It's more of a sandy color than it looks now. See how pretty that is? And the door just looks great, so clean. And in the end, you know, all that, I had to go over it 3 times, granted, but you know, you really can't tell that it doesn't have the extra colata or whatever they call it in tonico. Thank you for watching. Think about liking and subscribing, and wait to the end. I'm going to show you the exterior of a pink villa. I love this pink. What do you think? Could you live with a pink house? That house that you want to restore it. Gotta love a pink villa. See if I can get this view.